Hello everyone. This presentation will be based on the human development, and human development is a process of enlarging people freedom and opportunities and improving their well-being. This is the picture that represents the meaning of human development. These are my two Western theories I have select and for Lev Vygotsky, I found three theories from his theories, which are the first one, the language is the root of culture. Second, significance of culture in learning. And the last one is the zone of proximal. For John Locke, I choose three from his theories, which are the natural law, social contract, and behavioral. Human development in my own country, Kiribati. This picture will represent uh, our culture, and in Kiribati, people in Kiribati support their children to school, and in in the school, the teachers and staff support their students to maintain their culture. This is another one for human development in our country, Kiribati. As I also mentioned before, the people in Kiribati teach their children from adulthood their own culture in order to know how to maintain their culture in their own. For more the information, I use the Jean Piaget theory, which are the four stages of human development, which are sensorio sensorio-motor stage. The second one is the reoperation stage. The third, the concrete operational stage. And the last one is the formal operational stage. These are the outcome of my presentation, and I can hope that you will understand the so from this presentation I hope that you have understand on human development and the idea of my given theories, and to able to know how our culture developed in the US. For more information, you can use this link to share about what I have done in my research. Thank you and good luck.